Ooh, ooh, ooh. I am so excited. I got a brand new cell phone. Yes. Yes. I'm so excited, y'all. How y'all doing? I hope y'all have had an ecstatic day. I am on to doing some new vlogging. Take y'all along with me. Girl, so excited. Okay? So excited. Do I have anything going on right now? No. Right now I'm making tacos. So let me show y'all. I just got the taco meat cooking. Actually, just the ground beef cooking right now. And just going from there, boo. I shopped at Lucky's today, and I'm loving their ground beef. Look, okay? Let that cook for a little bit. So far, I got the whole candle vibe going on and the salt lamp. So I got this vibe going on for tonight. Hey, y'all. And I even got the candle in the bathroom. So there were some towels at Macy's backstage that kind of resembled this wall art that I have. I purchased this wall art at Big Lots. That's where I purchased it at a while back. When the Big Lots by my house was going out of sale. When the Big Lots by my house was going out of business, so I found these two on clearance. Okay. Now, when we look up over here, it's a whole hot mess, y'all. It's a whole hot mess. So this is my little personal area. I'm gonna try to use up this Dermasil facial scrub. I really don't like the consistency of it. It's too liquidy. If it was a little thicker, I would love it. You know, I love like a thick facial scrub consistency liquid. Okay. But anywho, I'm gonna get to this soon and organize it. So I'm gonna film and y'all see me organize it. I'm gonna put it in relapse time. I'm not gonna go in slow time. So get this out of the way. I need to purchase some more bars of soap. I am down to my last Dove soap, and this vase is needing a good cleaning. Y'all, I'm back. Getting ready for bed. Your girl is tired, and this lightning is everlasting in my bathroom. But I'm getting ready to put on my DIY turmeric, my DIY turmeric face mask that I made a while back. I try not to over turmeric, but it's been 2 weeks since I used some of my turmeric, so I'm gonna use it tonight. Hopefully I don't get any turmeric over my robe. I meant on my robe. I'm a little sleepy, y'all, so excuse me. Better not drop. And the consistency of my turmeric is like soft mud. So y'all, I think I'm gonna just lather it all in. And I'm just basically putting the turmeric on the areas of my skin that break out or get bumps. So put some of my lip scrub on. I don't know, it's just something. Lips. Gotta take care of them. OGNG. I think I put too much lip scrub on here. Okay, y'all. I'm about to hop in the shower. Hey, I'm gonna rinse this all off in the shower. Because this is giving, this is giving, what do you call it? Smoking looks, okay? See y'all soon. See y'all soon, okay? the next day. We are on March the 8th. Okay. Last night I left off in my bathroom, taking a shower and getting ready for bed. Um, what are we gonna be doing today, y'all? I was thinking about going over to a different Five Below location in my area, and then possibly going to the Dollar Tree and seeing what they have. I do need to pick up some more items from the Dollar Tree, about 5 products I actually need. I don't need to go in there and go shopping, because you know how it is when you go in the Dollar Tree. You say you go in there for one thing and you leave out of there with millions of things. I've done that. Okay. I need to do before I go anywhere is organize my bathroom. So I need to do that. And I don't know if y'all can see, but it's a hot mess up over here. Hi. As y'all can see, I need to switch out my shower curtain because up there it's a hot mess. It's super ripped. So I guess it's a good thing I'm going to the Dollar Tree this morning. And I'm going to go ahead and try to set up this little counter of mine. Y'all can't. I need to. What my little everyday table of essentials is looking like. I need to go ahead and sweep in my bathroom and wipe the tub. Yeah, I hope y'all like the little remake. And plus, I'm planning on moving. So, look, when I move, I'm going to have a whole different setup. I got my bathroom clean and stuff. I'm gonna get ready to, I guess, head on out, and I will see y'all in the next part of the vlog. This basket is filled with so much stuff. I'm not sure if this is somebody's basket. Look at all this name brand stuff they have. That's a come up. And then over here they have like a lot of Ben and Jerry ice cream ice. And I think that's, I was about to say Butterfinger. I'm wrong. I'm thinking about probably doing Dollar Tree browse with me. So y'all stay tuned. Some more like vlogging is gonna be going on. If they have the planner I'm looking for, spread the love. Look at this. This is really cute. I saw this one last time. This is really cute. I was going to get this for my friend who had moved on to a new job. We were working at the same job, but my friend, she went to go work at the hospital. So I was wanting to get her this one, but I didn't at the time. I got her like a goal setting planner. And I noticed at this store, when you come look in the line at the shelves, you can find planners and stuff like that. I know I don't need to buy another planner, but your girl, I love planners, okay? If you ever want to make me happy, buy me a planner. Hello, gorgeous. Ooh, look at this. This is really cute. Super, super cute. See, I love stuff like this. Ooh, they have Jack Link's original. This beef jerky. Y'all tell me what this is if you ever tried this. I've never tried it before. And I don't think I see any other planners. Ooh, Be Fruitful. What are these? Be Fruitful raspberry banana flavor. I think these are chips or something. Like this. Have y'all tried these before? I've never seen these before at the Dollar Tree. Then we have Jack Link's turkey jerky. I don't have no taste for jerky, but it looks like this. Okay, y'all. Okay, I'm done with this owl. Ooh, they got some sunglasses. Ooh, these are actually cute. I would love to find some eyeglasses in this shape, but these are real cute, y'all. It's really cold where I live at right now. So, I mean, I could stock up on some sunshades. Do I really need all this stuff? Do I really need these? No. 11.83. And I forgot tax. Because y'all know everything is $1.25. Remember to bring extra change with you when you go to the Dollar Tree. There you go. Oh. Do you want a receipt? Yes, please. And I'm done shopping at the Dollar Tree. This is it. So the next time y'all see me come up in the Dollar Tree, it will be a Dollar Tree browse with me. No shopping. Thank you. And the receipt. Y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and check this incense up over here. I need to turn the camera around. Hold on, y'all. I got the box right here. As y'all can see, the incense cone waterfall that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And already burnt one cone. I burnt the I forget the name of it. It's the dragon blood one. I burnt this one first. Yeah, I burnt the dragon blood one first. So I can see. Oops, upside down. It's hard trying to film not looking directly in the camera, but I'm burning this one. This one is the sandalwood. You can see it right over there. I probably don't have y'all. Ooh. I don't have y'all at a good angle. Okay, so I'm getting ready to light this thing. See how it lights. Set that over there. Give it a good light to where it lights like a candle. Let's try this again. I want it to light like it's a candle. See that? It's a little flame. Light it again. I'm gonna get a good light where that flame shows. I might have to be careful lighting this, y'all. That'd be out. See, I almost had it light like a flame. You know it? Okay. And eventually it's gonna start smoking. Wow, y'all see? So if you follow that method. And yes, my lovely Dollar Tree shower curtains with the color gray, blue, and it looks like a yellow. I love it so much. I love these colors. These are my signature colors. Yes, y'all. Then little organizations going on. Then I got these LA colors, glow in the dark fingernails, and I need to glue on tonight. Let's turn out the light. See if it. Let me close this door. I want y'all to see. It's not even. You can't see the glow, but earlier I saw the glow. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. Thank y'all for coming along with me. Um, excuse me for the canceled Michael Kors store trip that I wanted to take y'all on earlier. But due to the snow, yeah, I just need to stay in the house. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I'm getting sleepy. I'm getting tired. It's getting close to my bedtime. And I guess I'll catch y'all in the next vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I'm looking forward to creating more content here on my mini YouTube channel. Hope y'all enjoy it. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Yeah. And I will see y'all next time in the next vlog. Until then, it's your girl Elaine Boulevard. Y'all take care. Bye.